students, today we are going to start class 3 social study. आज हम chapter 18 जो मैंने आपको civilization के विषय में बताया, आज उसी chapter 18 से Chinese civilizations के विषय में जानते हैं. The Chinese civilizations came up along river Wangho. The king was very powerful. Queen sang Wang Di. Say Chan So Wang Di was a famous ruler. Priests, officers, and soldiers helped the king to rule. There were also farmer traders, metal workers, weavers, potters, and carpenters. The Chinese worship the sky, the sun, and the rivers. They celebrate many festivals to honor their gods. People sang, danced, and flew kites. What they did, the Chinese wrote from top to bottom. They wrote on a bamboo, plates, animals, bones, and on skin, cloth. Later they began to write on paper. The Chinese built a long wall to keep out their enemies. This wall is called the Great Wall of China. The Chinese were the first to grow tea and to produce silk. They also invented the technique of printing. The Chinese invented the compass, referred to lesson 2, the umbrella, and the paper money. They taught the world how to make porcelain. All these civilizations tell us the story of progress made of humans over the years. Another civilization was the Indus Valley civilization. It developed in a part of India and Pakistan. You will read about this detail in higher classes. So students, इस civilizations में हमने इन सब चीज़ों को जाना और समझा. Thank you. Have a nice day.